hip stretch complex. So for this, you can use a belt, monster band, a stretch strap, something that's going to allow you to do this movement. And it's important that when we do this movement with whatever you use, it's not, your leg's not doing the work. So I would use a monster band. And again, it could be a belt, a stretch strap, or something equivalent. I will walk you through it. So from here, I would do hip stretch. My leg is up, out, and guess what's doing the work? It's not my leg, it's my arms guiding it. So I'm doing circles out, and we can also do it for the same reps. Stretch number 2, I bring my leg up. Since it's my left leg, my left arm goes out to the side, and I let my left leg drop to one side. I come back up with 2 hands. I let my leg drop to the opposite side, straight. And I bring it back. And the last but not least, we need to roll over to our stomach. And from here, you can see I still have it attached, and I pull my foot to my glutes. You can use one hand or two. Be relaxed, and that is your quadricep stretch. Do for prescribed reps, and repeat on the other side. Enjoy the stretch.